You're in your 20s, young, energetic, probably feeling invincible. And hey, you might think you don't need to worry about joint pain, back problems, or mobility issues yet. But here's the truth. If you're not doing these 5 exercises in your 20s, you're wasting one of the best decades for building a body that lasts. You're laying the foundation now, whether you realize it or not. The habits you build today determine whether you will still be moving pain-free at 40 or stuck in physio at 30. There are 5 exercise categories that cover your entire body, and each one is essential to moving well, feeling strong, and preventing injury. These are push, pull, squat, hip hinge, and core. But don't worry, this isn't your typical go do 100 push-ups workout. We've chosen smart, functional exercises that will work with your body, not against it. And if you stick with them, your body will last well into old age. Let's go into the 5 exercises that ensure all body categories are covered. Stick with us till the end because we'll touch on things that no one talks about, especially exercise number 5. Number 1, the hang for pull strength and shoulder health. Let's start with the pull category. Now, most people think pull-ups, but there's an underrated movement that builds strength, decompresses the spine, and repairs your posture. It's simply hanging. So, what happens when you hang every day? Well, for one, your shoulders start to open up. Hanging from a bar passively, just letting your body dangle, gently stretches tight lats, resets the spine, and decompresses the vertebrae. In fact, Dr. John Kirsch, an orthopedic surgeon, discovered that patients with shoulder impingements were healing themselves just by hanging for a few minutes each day. No surgery, just gravity doing its thing. Hanging strengthens your grip, builds forearm endurance, and helps correct that dreaded forward shoulder posture so many of us develop from sitting all day. As you get stronger, you can move into active hangs and eventually pull-ups, making it the perfect foundation for upper body strength. Number 2, plank for core stability. That changes everything. Now let's hit the core category with a classic, the plank. But don't scroll past just yet. Planks do way more than you think. When you hold a plank properly, you're not just tightening your abs. You're creating full body tension. Your shoulders stabilize, your glutes activate, and your spine stays protected. Over time, this builds the deep core muscles that support your posture, reduce back pain, and even make you look taller. Plus, a strong core helps with literally every other exercise. Running, lifting, jumping, even just walking with better posture. You'll find that your balance improves, your back stops hurting, and yeah, you might just start seeing those abs. Before we continue, a like would be much appreciated. It helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you videos like this one. Number 3, Glute Bridge, a hip hinge that activates your posterior chain. Let's talk about the hip hinge, a movement pattern most people skip entirely, but it's critical for a healthy spine. Our pick, the Glute Bridge. When you push through your heels and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips, you're targeting the exact muscles that go to sleep when you sit all day, your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Doing glute bridges daily strengthens the entire posterior chain, the back of your body, which helps with posture, reduces back pain, and protects your knees during squats and lunges. Over time, this will also improve your explosiveness in movements like sprinting and jumping. And hey, stronger glutes? That's not just performance, that's aesthetics too. Number 4, push-ups, upper body strength and core in one now for the push category. And you already know this one, push-ups. But when done right, push-ups are more than just a chest workout. They engage your triceps, shoulders, chest, core, and even your glutes. Yes, if you're doing them properly, your entire body is working. Push-ups train your body to stay in a strong plank position while moving through your arms. This combination of stability and strength translates to real-life pushing, like opening doors, lifting groceries, or catching yourself during a fall. Plus, variations like incline or decline push-ups mean you can scale up or down depending on your strength level. Do them every day, and you'll notice stronger arms, a tighter core, and better posture. Number 5, the Cossack Squat for mobility and leg power. Next, let's talk about the squat. You've probably done basic squats before, but have you ever tried a Cossack squat? This movement is like the upgrade your lower body didn't know it needed. Think of it as a sideways lunge. You sink deeply into one leg while keeping the other extended to the side. So what happens when you add this to your daily routine? For starters, you'll build hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and serious adductor strength, those inner thigh muscles that most workouts completely ignore. Your knees? They'll thank you too. The Cossack Squat improves the stability and control of your knee joint, helping you feel stronger and safer during daily movement. And here's the kicker. It builds functional strength. That means strength that actually helps you in real life, getting off the floor, climbing stairs, running, and playing sports. Plus, it looks super cool. To sum it up, incorporating all of these 5 movements daily, your posture improves as your shoulders open up from hanging and your spine gets stronger from planks. Your hips become mobile and powerful thanks to Cossack Squats and Glute Bridges. Your whole body becomes functionally strong, not just for workouts, but for life. And best of all, you don't need a gym, no equipment, no fancy machines, just your body and the 5 foundational movements it was designed to do. Ready to give it a try? Start small. Even one set of each daily will add up. Let us know in the comments which of these you're adding to your routine. And if you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on transforming your body, one simple habit at a time. We'll see you in the next one. Stay strong,